In this video, we're going to talk about account types and support plans. We're going to talk about the 3 different types of accounts offered on IBM Cloud and 3 different levels of support offered. Let's get into it. IBM Cloud has 3 main types of accounts. It has light accounts, which are free of charge, pay-as-you-go accounts, which allow you to access all IBM Cloud services, and subscription accounts, which are available for enterprise customers. A light account is ideal for users who want to explore IBM Cloud for free. Benefits of a light account are access to over 40 services like cloud object storage, cloud databases, and AI services. No credit card required, and the account never expires. A pay-as-you-go account is ideal for users who want full access to IBM Cloud with no long-term commitment. Benefits of a pay-as-you-go account are access to all services in the catalog, access to basic support, and it is fit for production use cases. A subscription account is ideal for organizations that would benefit from predictive billing and have committed to a certain amount of spend. A subscription account offers discounted pricing for services and support, is available for enterprises, and, like the pay-as-you-go account, gives access to all services in the catalog. IBM Cloud support levels come in 3 forms. Basic, which has access to create cases or tickets and can talk with support via phone or chat. Advanced, which guarantees a response time of 1 to 8 hours based on the severity of your ticket. And Premium, which guarantees a response time of 15 minutes to 2 hours, and a technical account manager is assigned to your account for quarterly reviews. Next, we'll take a deeper look into support and we'll show you how to create a ticket. So first, to view your account, you can click on Account. Here, within your account, you can view things such as account settings. And in the Account Settings tab is where you can see your account type and then your ID. Next, let's go ahead and file a support ticket. Click on Support from the upper tab. In the Support Center, you can see your support plan. You can see mine is basic. Next, you can go down and scroll down and you can see the FAQs and then also your ways to contact support. You can see you can chat with the agent or call us anytime. Next, let's go ahead and create a case. Here, you can click on the services that you have provisioned and then click on the one service that you want to create a case for. For me, I'll click on Natural Language Understanding. Next, in the Create a Case, you can give a subject line and then a description and then provide any screenshots to help you provide more details about the case. Lastly, you want to hit Continue. And that's how you create a case. In this lesson, we learned about account types and support plans. And to summarize, IBM Cloud has 3 account types: light, pay-as-you-go, and subscription. And it has 3 support levels: basic, advanced, and premium.